Good morning. Today we are going to see how to create user with read-only access for portal application. Okay. So these are the use cases like what is the read-only user? Okay. So a read-only user can view data, run reports, analyze transactions. So we can't create any records. I can't create any update any records, any configurations. You can't do anything on that. Okay, so normally we will use create a user read-only users for the audit purpose. Okay, and and also suppose I want to see asset inquiry user like procurement request read-only. These are all test cases. I will share this document on my suppose vendor portal. So I want to view POs only by the vendors and the customers also. I want to show how many outstanding invoices there against particular customer. So these are all use cases. For this, in these cases, we will create read only users. Okay. How to create a read only? I will explain in next slides. For to create a read only, we have a profile FND read only mode. So it will be available in the mainnet administrator profile values. So first of all, I will try to create one user. Um, For that, go to setup and maintenance, all applications, create user. I will create a test user. Just test, sorry, read only. So I will create one user. Or I can do because I already created my user so that I will check. So for that, so I will go to, we have to go to manage administrator profile values. Okay. Separate. Go to search for sorry, setup and maintenance. Manage administrator profile values. In that, you have to find fund read only mode. So we have to give it the at user levels. Okay. So you go to user, and my user is shaper.pin. We'll check it and enable. Okay. Now I have to save and close. So now what I will do, I will add search for that. Go to start So I have only one rows, two, three rows. I will try to add a PO, created rows by a procurement. To add this also, procurement preparer, procurement requester, procurement requester. Okay. Then now I have to add procurement agent also in order to create a PO. For that, management procurement agents. So I will add my user as an agent. Okay. So I'm leaving this here, full control, full control. So okay, it's already there created. So it's giving error. Now I try to sign out and log in. Okay. Now I'm going to procurement. So I'm going to purchase acquisitions. So now you're getting, you have only read-only access to all applications. You can't perform updates. Okay. Suppose I want to only give only for particular form, particular, suppose I want to restrict it for only for creating procurement, sorry, uh, purchase orders. I want to restrict for only, I can do that also. So I already there in my YouTube. So I will share that link also. So otherwise, I will do one more video how to restrict a form in creating new records or updating new records. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please ping me on YouTube comment section so that I reply back. Okay. So